why your clinic ads aren't working and how to fix them without changing your ads. So, if you've ever looked at your ads and thought, our ads just aren't working, or leads are dead, or people aren't serious, this presentation will change the way you think forever. Your ads aren't failing, your follow-up system is failing. Once you understand what's happening between the moment a lead clicks and the moment your clinic responds, everything will make sense. The false diagnosis. Most clinics blame the ad, the targeting, the creative, the agency, the budget, the market. But 90% of the time, the ads did exactly what they were supposed to. They generated their attention, they generated curiosity, they got someone to click, they got someone to raise their hand, but what happened after the click is where everything broke. If that click sits unanswered, if that inquiry sits overnight, if that form waits for 4 hours, if that DM is missed, if that phone call goes to voicemail, you lose the revenue quietly, silently, and repetitively, right? Where good leads go to die. This is a stat that clinic owners hate, but it's the most important thing you'll ever hear. After 5 minutes, every minute that passes reduces the chance of booking by 80%. Yes, 80%. If you take longer than 5 minutes to respond to an inquiry or any attention that has come into your clinic, 80% of them are going to go away. So after 30 minutes, you're done. They've already moved on. So here's the truth. Patients don't ghost because of the low quality. Patients ghost because your system is too slow. What typically happens? Let's walk through what typically happens. So, first scenario, lead fills out a form at 7:42 p.m. Your staff, they've gone home, they check in the morning, and they respond around 9:15 once they've had their coffee. By then, the patient has booked somewhere else, or even forgotten that they clicked, inquired at your clinic. Scenario 2, lead sends a DM. Your staff sees it later. They reply hours after the intent peaked, and the trust evaporates. Scenario 3, lead calls, but the staff are busy, probably dealing with the front counter patients. Goes to voicemail. Patient calls the clinic number 2, or the next clinic down the road. They answer, they win. This isn't a lead problem, it's an infrastructure problem. The 5 system failures killing your ad performance. Here are the 5 invisible breaks that turn your paid traffic into wasted money. Number 1, slow speed to lead. Manual follow-up simply cannot respond in seconds. AI can. Number 2, no multi-touch follow-ups. Most clinics send 1 or 2 messages. Patients need 6 to 12 touches. AI does this perfectly. Number 3, no qualification. If you aren't speaking or asking the right questions early, you attract, maybe later, energy, right? AI qualifies them instantly. Number 4, no nurture layer. So most clinics don't send proof or education or social proof, before and afters, process breakdowns. The conversion engine does. Number 5, no retargeting layer. So even warm leads forget quickly, right? Retargeting keeps them warm for weeks. The attention engine handles this lightly, but today's video focuses on the deeper mechanics. Why fixing your ads starts with fixing your follow-up. Here's the fun part. When we work with clinics that say, our leads are low quality, and we install just one part of the system, the conversion engine, something crazy happens. Lead quality magically improves. Booking volume doubles. Show-up rates jump. Cost per booked consult drops. All without changing creatives, targeting, budget, agencies, platforms, or your offer, right? Because now every lead is followed up instantly. Every question gets answered. Every objection gets handled. Every lead is nurtured, every lead is reminded, every lead gets booked or rebooked. Your ads weren't broken, your infrastructure was. So I'll just run through some real quick clinic examples, okay? Clinic 1, plastic surgeon, he went from 150k to 275k a month. There was no ad changes. We simply installed the AI follow-up, the conversion engine. Bookings doubled. Number 2, the med spa, their reviews tripled. So the AI followed up. There was a review automation set up in the back end. They now appear as the highest rated clinic in their city. Clinic 3, the hair restoration clinic, we reactivated 100k of old leads. So didn't run any ads, we just reactivated the old patients that the clinic had forgotten about. Okay, if you're ready to transform your clinic, if you want the full blueprint on how top clinics turn ads into fully booked calendars without touching the ads themselves, grab the free Patient Flow AI Playbook. It's down in the description. It breaks down exactly how to transform dead leads into high quality, high intent patients, and how to fix your ads by fixing what happens after the click. Get you in the next one.